Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I share how to make one of the local delicacies from eastern Nigeria. We'll be making NKWOBI, also known as spicy cow leg. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. NKWOBI is one of my favorite local delicacies. I can eat this all day, every day. And the main ingredients needed to prepare this delicacy is cow leg, also known as okwanu. I have my properly washed cow leg inside my pot and I'm just adding my seasoning. For seasoning, I added some chopped onions, a little bit of roughly blended peppers, seasoning cubes, and some water. You want to keep the seasoning very simple. You don't have to do too much to make this delicacy tasty, so don't ruin it by adding a lot of spices. NKWOBI is one of the local delicacies that is very delicious and also very easy to put together. The only challenge here is washing the cow leg to get it to be very clean, because as we already know, that is what the cow uses to move around. So you have to wash it, you have to remove every unwanted sand, every unwanted particles, you have to scrape it, you have to do a lot to get it to be very clean. But once you've successfully done that, then you're good to go. You should also put into consideration the amount of time needed for the cow leg to cook properly. This requires a lot of cooking time. This can be ready in about 1 to 2 hours because you want the cow leg to be properly cooked. You want it to be very soft. Your NKWOBI doesn't have to be tough at all. You just want it to be very soft for you to enjoy it. And this requires a lot of cooking time. I'm using my pressure pot to cook this because this will help cut my cooking time in half. So if you have a pressure pot, I highly recommend you use it to cook tough meats like your cow leg and any other tough meat. But if you don't have a pressure pot, then you can use a regular pot. The result is the same, but it's going to take a longer time. After cooking for about 1 hour thereabouts, I went back to check on it and this is what we have. This cooked really down. This cooked really well. Just by looking at it, you can tell that it has cooked properly and it's looking super soft. But just to be very sure, I'll go in with my fork. Can you see how easy it was for my fork to go through this meat? This simply tells you that it's super soft and is ready to move on to the next step of this recipe, which is to prepare the sauce. We want to prepare our sauce, our NKWOBI sauce. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe and I'm so grateful to have you here. Please do well to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Thank you. Time to prepare the sauce. I already have palm oil inside my pots. I'm going in with ungo, also known as edible potash. This is gotten from burning palm fronds and this is what I use to thicken my palm oil. After adding ungo into the oil, I stir continuously until I achieve an orangey color and a creamy texture. You want to keep adding the ungo until you achieve your desired thickness. So the more you add and stir, the thicker the sauce becomes. So keep adding until you achieve your desired color, consistency, and quantity. So once you've achieved that, the next step is to go in with the rest of your ingredients in no particular order. I've just added my grounded crayfish. This is very, very important. Next up is my grounded ehuru, known as calabash nutmeg in English. This is a local spice with a very unique taste and aroma. I added my roughly blended peppers. Of course, it has to be spicy. And I'm going in with my ogba or okpaka, known as oil-bean in English. For seasoning, I'll go in with just seasoning cubes and salt. Once I've added this into the oil, I'll stir until they combine properly, until everything is properly mixed, like they marry each other very well. Once you're done mixing, taste and adjust your seasoning if necessary. I tasted mine and the taste was just perfect. I didn't have to add any other thing. So next up, I'm introducing my cooked cow leg into the sauce. Once I'm done adding this, I will stir until every part of this cow leg is well coated with this delicious, juicy and creamy sauce. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. For more recipes like this one, kindly follow me on other social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the name to search for is Oge Anyoko on all platforms. Kindly search for Oge Anyoko. It won't be difficult for you to find me. Follow my pages, like, share, and do all the good stuff. Leave me your comments in the comments section. And if you're someone that enjoy watching vlogs, you want vlogs that can keep you entertained and help you relax, then search for my second YouTube channel where I post lifestyle vlogs. The name of this channel is I am Oge Anyoko. I have lots of vlogs that will keep you entertained and help you relax. So please do well to check out my second YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you. Remember I promised you that this delicacy is very easy to put together. Well, here you go. We are done with this. I just have to dish this and then garnish. We invited some friends over a few days ago and this is what I made for them. This was finger looking good and they enjoyed it so much. I garnished with garden egg leaves and onions. Feel free to garnish with any vegetable of choice. So this is it for this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, share and leave me your comments. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this NKWOBI recipe. Thank you all for stopping by and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.